Hello, my name is Akash Gutti. I'm currently pursuing my BTech at SRM University with a CGPA of 8.56. And, I'm passionate about backend development and cause problem solving in DSL. And I'm applying for this backend development role because I enjoy designing these server-side applications mainly and working with the database and building REST APIs web applications. So the project I would like to talk about is exam application. So it is an online platform where administrators basically create quizzes such that the students could take them online. The system automatically evaluates the scores and stores the results also. So the project is basically to simplify the quiz management process and eliminate manual evaluation. The intended users of this are trainers from the coaching institutions and students from the educational institutions as well. My primary contribution was to develop the backend using Flask and Python. I designed the database schema in MySQL and implemented features also using user registration, login authentication, question management, quiz management, also automation, score evaluation, etc. Many. And I also integrated the front end and back end use I basically linked the front end and back end, ensured that all user data are stored correctly, are stored securely in the database. So this was my personal project. I did from the bottom to down. I mean, completely done. I was responsible for doing this particular project, like development, testing, and many. For the implementation, I use it Flask. But the application consider many separate routes for authentication, quiz operations, and result management. So the MySQL was used to store users' questions, scores with proper relation between the tables. And one of the biggest technical challenge I was faced, like this time quiz feature, while the user is submitting the answer successfully when the time expired. So initially the timer and submission process are not synchronized, which sometimes gives us improper submissions. So for this, I handle this by combining the JavaScript timers with the backend validation so that the server handle the final submission efficiently and reliably. This is the one of the biggest challenges I faced in the project. There are many, but this is the one of the biggest challenge. I choose Python class because it is a very lightweight, easy to learn, and suitable for developing REST APIs and web applications. So the whole project basically improved my understanding of backend development, REST APIs, database design, authentication. Many. It also strengthened my problem solving skills and taught how different components work together in a web application. So finally, this is about my project, and I would like to mention that I enjoy learning new technologies and continuously improve my development skills, communication skills as well. Along with the backend development, I also practice DSA using C++ to strengthen my problem solving skills. And also, I'm excited about the opportunity, any opportunity to contribute to the real world software projects. And this is about me, the explanation of my project. And thank you for your time.